How do I get the day name into a cell in Excel? Given a date, how do I get the day of the week, e.g. Monday, into a cell in Excel?
Simple example. A1 cell, the 1st of August 2009. B1 cell, equals text, weekday, A1, DDDD. This will, for the given date, print the corresponding day. Is this what you wished?
The answer given above is only working by fluke because Excel thinks that January 1st, 1900 was a Sunday asterisk, and by default Excel is using Sunday as first day of week for the weekday function. What you are actually calculating in that method is the day of the week as a number, then formatting that as a day based on that number interpreted as a date. E.g., if your date is January 2nd, 2003, and you use the weekday function, this results in 7 equals Saturday. When you then format this as DDDD, you are actually getting the day name of the 7th day in Excel since it's epoch, i.e. July 1st, 1900, which happens to be a Saturday star. This formula will break if someone opens it who has the option selected to use the 1904 base date system, as January 1st, 1904 was not a Sunday, but a Friday. Yes, I know hardly anyone uses that, but you don't want to build a solution which relies on that, do you? You can make the formula shorter, faster, and more robust simply by using. You could of course just format the date cells themselves with a custom format as already suggested, depending on whether you really need this in a separate column or not. I often use date formats such as to give e.g. Saturday, February 1st, 2003 so the date is explicit but shows the weekday name as well. Using a second column and a text function is essential if you want to use the weekday explicitly somewhere in a mail merge, for example. Similarly, for things like currencies and so on, Excel is greater than Word merging passes the actual underlying stored value rather than the on-screen formatted version, so regardless of the cell format, Word sees some horrible number. A true text field is passed, as is, and displays properly in Word. Asterisk, in fact, it is a Monday, but Excel was written to match the incorrect dates in Lotus 123, which treated 1900 as a leap year when it is not.
Another possibility, depending on what you want to do with the date afterwards, is to set the cell's format to custom, DDDD.
I found that nesting if statements can be cumbersome, but it does work. If, however, you'd like to save a little typing, you may try this. Or, if you need full names. In this example, A2 can be whatever cell, or formula, contains the date in question. For instance, would print the 3-letter abbreviation for whatever today is.
You can also localize the answer by using $NNN before the format, so the custom code is $NNN DDDD at. Change NNN with the proper language code. I don't have the list, but somehow, English code is -409, and my local is -421. I think you can experiment with number format, change the language field, then change it back to custom format.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.